Here's Calculator Air app. To install the widget, just tap and hold. You will see apps jiggling, and then you can just search for Calculator Air, and then you can just install this. Unfortunately, there is only like currency converter app. You can just use the conversion of your current currencies, and then for example, you can just add it. Then you can just decide from so something like that. So you can just enable like this, and then it's just an easy currency converter. Calculator Air is kind of like advanced calculator app where you can just have basic calculator, or you can have advanced, and then you can snap photos. You can upload photos, solve math problems from the photo, and have some advanced features as well.